Alright, so the husband and wife will put their hands together to slice the cake. And the two hands moving as one with one purpose symbolizes that the two will work to reach common goals and their shared future and life together as one. Maynard and Kim, bago kayo mag-cut, you know what? One of our Filipino traditions also says that during cake cutting ceremony, the bigger the slice, the bigger the blessing. Kaya naman, ladies and gentlemen, palawpakan natin once again, Mr. and Mrs. Messina for the cake cutting tradition. Yan, sige, pagkasyahin ninyo sa ating saucer. There you have it. Napakalaking blessing niya sa buhay ninyo. Dito kayo sa gitna. Sige po, here. Alright. This time, we now proceed po with the sharing of this lovely and sweet cake. Sabi din nila, in our Filipino tradition, kung gaano daw kalaki ang cake na ibibigay mo sa partner mo, ganun kalaki ang pagmamahal mo sa kanya. So now let's have it, Maynard. Show your guests how big your love is to your loving wife. Palakpakan naman mo natin once again, Mr. and Mrs. Messina. Pero pwede naman right amount of love lang. Not too much, not less, but something not overwhelming also. Sige po. There you have it. At syempre na, Kim, ikaw naman, it's your time. Ipakita mo sa amin gaano kalaki ang pagmamahal mo para kay Maynard.
Malalaki!
Maraming salamat. Sige po. Dito muna kayo. Okay. Syempre, dahil sweetness po sa lahat ng tradition, ito ang pinaka-sweet. What a better way to end this with a sweet kiss. Ayan. Sige po, let's have this moment for a kiss. Ayan. Mag-countdown lang po tayo from 5 down to 1 and then they will give you the sweetest kiss. Come on, ready? All of us. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, kiss! Palamakan natin. Maraming salamat po. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. and Mrs. Messina. Pag muna kayo home po, we're now down to our last tradition. This time, moments like this is worthy of a celebration and a toast. I'd like to call on our best man and maid of honor, Adriana Messina and Layla Julio, to please join us here for our wine toasting for our couple. I-raise ang ating mga glasses and toast. Pakinggan po muna natin ang mensahe po ng ating best man and maid of honor for our lovely couple. So to start with, Adrian, ayan. Okay, huwag kang mag-alala. Okay, impromptu talaga to, no? Ano mo nung masasabi mo sa kanila congratulating them on this beautiful chapter of their lives?
Sorry. Sige, congrats. Nakatanak ko eh.
Short but sweet. Sige po, let's have our maid of honor. Let's hear the message.
Sana mas lalo mahalin yung isa't isa ngayon natin pag-asawa na kayo. Unawain yung isa't isa. Kapag may problema kayo, pag-usapan nyo. Huwag yung tutulugan. Kaya huwag yung tutulugan. Kaya huwag yung tutulugan. Sana lalo ako magpapagapan. Yun na.
Maraming salamat para po natin. Ayan, si May and Andrea. Now we'll give you now the glasses po. Okay, so sa ating mga guests, we need your participation po dito. So kung meron po kayong mga glasses, of course you have your glasses with you. Let's raise our glasses po for our lovely couple for this beautiful toast. Ayan. So let's have our bride and maid of honor. You may have your toast together po with groom and our best man. Toast po na kayo. And then, to our couple, as we count 3 down, or 1 to 3, you will intertwine your arms together. Sige po, let's raise our glasses and a count of 3. Sabay-sabay tayo sumigawan ng cheers and congratulations for our lovely couple. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Cheers and congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Messina. Maraming salamat po. Okay. Mukhang nabitin yung best man dun sa ano. Okay. Thank you so much po. Maraming salamat. Sige po, you may now take your seat. Thank you so much. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Palapakan po natin. That is our beautiful tradition sa ating reception program. So kanina po, no, panapansin po ninyo, we have a very short but sweet message from our best fellow maid of honor. This time naman po, ang susunod nating maririnig ay mga pieces of advice, words of wisdom, at syempre manggagaling po yon none other than sa ating mga ninong at nina. Okay? So, I don't know kung na-inform po kayo, pero meron pong pinili dito ang ating bagong kasal in representation of our principal sponsors. To start, umpisahan po natin sa ating mga nina. Palakpakan po natin upang magbigay ng kanyang mensahe, words of wisdom, piece of advice. Let's give a big hand to Ma'am Leila de la Cruz. Kayo po yun. Okay, dito po tayo. Ano po ang inyong mensahe po sa ating bagong kasal? Ano po ang inyong, kung meron po kayong maipapayo, ayan sa kanila. Palakpakan naman po natin one of our ninas, Ma'am Leila.
Maynard, please, ang wish ko lang sa inyo, sana maging matagal kayo
Kalwa na.
Tsaka,
Kalot na ita.
ano ba yung mga problema na pag-usapan?
Kaya nila
Sa tagal nyo kasi, wala na po sabi kasi nga, alam ko na kapag talaga, sana, no, congrats sa inyo.
Maraming salamat po. Palakpakan natin once again, Ma'am Leila. Thank you so much. And another one more on behalf of our ninas, we'd like to call on Ma'am Andrea Montoya po to give another message.